We'll guide you through how to create CodePen projects seamlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the CodePen website using your preferred browser. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up, which is quick and easy. Look for the Create button at the top right of the page. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu. Here, you'll select New Pen if you want to start with a blank project. This will open up the editor where you can start coding right away. You'll see 3 separate panels for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You can type your code directly into these panels, and you'll see the live preview updating in real time at the bottom of the page. If you're working on something larger or more complex, you might prefer to create a new project instead. This option allows you to manage multiple files and assets within one project, giving you more flexibility and organization. To do this, select New Project from the same drop-down menu. You'll be taken to a new interface where you can add files, folders, and even drag and drop assets directly into the project. It's a great way to keep everything neat and accessible. Remember, you can save your progress at any time by clicking the Save button. Once you're ready to share your work, you can use the Share button to get a public URL or even export your project. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.